How to fix WhatsApp voice message problems on Android. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to work through them step by step. First, long press the WhatsApp app icon from your home screen or app drawer. From there, tap App Info. After that, tap Force Stop. At this point, tap OK to confirm. Following this, reopen WhatsApp and try sending or playing a voice message again. From here, if the issue continues, go back into App Info and tap Storage. At this stage, tap Clear Cache. Following this, reopen WhatsApp and test the voice message again. From here, if it's still not working, go back into Storage and tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind, clearing data will sign you out, so make sure you know your login details before continuing, and confirm when prompted. At this stage, once WhatsApp is set back up, check your microphone permission next. Following this, go back into App Info and tap Permissions. From here, tap Microphone. At this stage, make sure it's set to Allow, not Don't Allow. Following this, back out and check Battery Optimization as well. From here, tap Battery within App Info. At this stage, set it to Unrestricted instead of Optimized or Restricted, since aggressive battery settings can interrupt voice recording or playback in the background. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. That's how you fix WhatsApp voice message problems on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!